Alrighty, thank you for joining me on a new training video. This video is about YouTube and finding the most sought after keywords. So we're looking for search volume, cost per click, the competition from 0.01 to all the way up to 1. 1 means very highly competitive. 0.01 or 0 means not competitive at all. There's a couple ways to analyze this data once we get it. You could sort by highest search volume, and you could see what words are actually searched the most on YouTube every month. So if you made a video about um, what what animals represent each BTS character, that could be a viral video just based on the keywords alone and cross-pollinating those keywords. Um, so if you wanted views, that's a good way to get views is cross-pollinating keywords. Uh, if you were to, let's say, draw stuff and you did Aquaman anime, you could make your own off-brand Aquaman anime. You could literally just title the video that, off-brand Aquaman anime, and it could be a comedy series, and you would get millions of views per month without having a huge channel. It's a very real possibility. Now, another thing that we could do is cost per click. So if you sort by cost per click, you could see advertising has a $5.80 cost per click. Affiliate marketing has a $2.19 cost per click. But the thing is, affiliate marketing has a 47 competitive rank. Advertising has a 6 competitive rank. Affiliate marketing is almost 10 times more competitive, meaning people are bidding back and forth on that keyword. Now, every time someone clicks to go subscribe to a channel, or clicks to view the video, or clicks to go to the advertisement website, they pay about $2.19. So, what you're really looking for if you want a truly successful YouTube channel in a monetized way is you want a high search volume. But you also want advertisers to be paying a lot for each cost per click. And then on top of that, you want to make sure that market is competitive. So whichever keyword is competitive, that's the keyword that you actually want to optimize your YouTube and your Google searches for. So your channel could be affiliate marketing and advertising, let's say. So if anyone were to search for affiliate marketing, your channel would pop up because that's your channel name. If you title any video, it should be um, 10 easy ways to affiliate market, or affiliate marketing in 10 easy ways. That way, if someone types in affiliate marketing, the first keywords of your video is affiliate marketing, and then your channel name is affiliate marketing, and then in your about bio, you have affiliate marketing in there. Even in the description of your video down below, you could say how to become an affiliate marketing member for like Amazon, let's say. And then if it's possible to have an affiliate link for the Amazon affiliate program, you'd be able to put affiliate marketing um, link, and then you'll optimize for that keyword aggressively. So if anyone ever types in affiliate marketing, you're going to pop up on this search volume for free. Then when people watch your free video, they're going to see an advertiser pay in front of that video, which is the cost per click, and you want to make sure it's competitive, and then all of a sudden you have a viral video that gets lots of views, lots of advertising money, and it's a competitive advertising market where they're not going to go away, they're going to stay. All right, so after a minute 4:30 now, let's go ahead and actually talk about what we're doing here. So we're doing a simple search to find every single keyword possible on YouTube. It does fluctuate every month. For example, Christmas is most searched in December. To give you an example, DIY, most popular thing in DIY right now is Christmas decorations and Christmas gifts. 60,000 40,000, but it's January right now. So these searches were more popular in December, and they're still popular um, based on the past 30 days at least, because December was last month. Now in February, this month is probably this in February, these numbers are probably going to be smaller. So that's something to pay attention to. Holidays and specific events. Let's say Iran. I'm sure Iran is a very popular search right now, but a year ago it probably was not that popular because World War III almost started. So Iran War, or let's say World War III. So World War III might have been a little bit more popular. Stuff like that. Whatever's viral will actually show up. That's why it's important to do this once a month to kind of see what was popular last month or what is going to start trending this month. Let's say affiliate marketing was 100,000 last month and next month it's 110,000. That's what we're really looking for. All right, so let's get to the actual training. Minute 6 here, actual training. So you're going to simply type in A. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have keywords everywhere app installed. It's pretty simple. So you simply type in keywords everywhere. You'll get to this website. For $10, you can get 100,000 credits, which is a decent amount of credits. It's not that expensive. I'll tell you how many credits this test will take. So keywords everywhere. Chrome is what you want to type into Google. Go to chrome.google store. Attach that extension, and then when you have it as an extension, make sure it's green turned on. Now there are some settings as well. You could highlight volume, cost per click, competition, or over here as well. That's to highlight it with a green color. So the only thing that you care about, let's say, is the search volume, so you would highlight the search volume. I have these 3 clicked. Click stream data would be extra data. Supported websites, these are all the websites that it currently supports. You can get Amazon data too if you wanted to. So if you uncheck some of these and you only want to do YouTube, then only YouTube credits will be used. Make sure when you're no longer searching, for this that you turn it off because you will use credits. I only have about 36,000 credits left. So what we're going to be doing is we're simply going to be typing A, and then we're going to cycle the second letter. So here's A, for example. We're looking for any search volume, cost per click, and competition. We're looking for any search volume above 40,000. And we want it to be an English word. We don't want it to be Spanish or Indian or Asian. We want it to be a English word. So ASMR is, if you're not sure what it is, you can go ahead and click on it to find out what it is. ASMR is when there is a microphone and people play with objects in front of the microphone, and it basically there's tingles in your ears. So they talk into the microphone, the left ear, the right ear, and it sounds like they're talking in your ear. It's a special microphone. So that is technically an English word. So that would be added and included into the spreadsheet. So you could see ASMR sleep, ASMR is in here. And then you want to see what other words are listed on here that are over 40,000 and add them as well. After you're finished with that, you're going to type in A, and then you're going to go to the second letter, which would be A, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alrighty? So there are a couple ways to get this data without using credits. So if you were to type in A and you see these and you Alt-Tab to go input it, you Alt-Tab back, it went away. So you have to type in A again. So you might have to do that on average 5 times per letter. So that would get pretty pricey in the form of credits. So each letter is about 10 items that pop up. So that's about 10 items. So 10 credits are being used. You're going to have to do that about 5 times to see all the data. And then you're going to do that for 27 letters of the alphabet 27 times. So we're going to do 27 times 27 times 50. You're going to use 36,000 credits, and that's all the credits that I have left. Now, how do you save on credits? So what you can do is you can go ahead and 27 by 27, just take a screenshot. of every single search term, and that's 729 searches. Or you could use this screen recording program that I have, Flashback Express 5 Recorder. And once you have this, you can record your screen, um, and you could only use 729 credits also. And you would simply type in A and see what pops up. Let it pop up, and then A, B, C, D. And then when it records to the computer, you can go ahead and document all of that data. Now, I might just send these recordings to a virtual assistant of what I'm talking about right now. That way they could just see the data and type it out and write it out for me. So I'll make that into a separate video, and I'll even post it to YouTube if you guys want to watch it. But yeah, that's basically how to do this research. When you're finished with the research, there's one last step. So what you want to do is you want to advertise A to Z, and you want to get this data. So how many keywords were actually in the column A? Looks like there's 40 keywords. Okay, so what about the search volume? How much search volume are the most popular A words? It would be 63 million, so we got 63,557. What is the average cost per click in the category A? This is just random data that would be interesting to know. The average is 80 cents, so we got 80 cents there. What's the average competition in the letter category A? That would be average 20, so zero point 0.2. So A is not very competitive, but we might see a letter down the road that is highly competitive. We're able to get a lot of data, but we have to start somewhere, and there we go. Oh, so the keywords. This is the most searched keywords, by the way, just to keep it simple. So we organize by A, we organize largest by smallest, and here we go. We have BTS, that's B. So A would be 9,140,000, so there we go. Aquaman would be number 2, so Aquaman. Ariana Grande would be number 3. Now, if it makes it simple, what you could do is whenever you finish the A's, it might make it easier for you. Copy all of this, go all the way down, so copy, and this goes really far down, but what you could do instead is you can paste another column and you could do all the B's. That way we could sort this data a little bit better. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and recommend you do right now when you do this research. Is instead of organizing them all in one column, I would like all A's, B's, C's, D's, all of the letters of the alphabet organized into a different column, please. That would allow us to sort by A's exclusively. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any value that you've received, please don't forget to like the video right now. Only takes a second or two. Rotate your screen, hit the like button. If you have a question, feel free to drop a question down below. If I missed something or something was confusing, maybe I didn't explain it, so feel free to ask that in a comment down below. And if you have any questions, of course, in your virtual assistant, feel free to message me via Skype. So the video that you'll see next will be me actually doing the ABCs, and then I'll post that to YouTube. That way you don't have to use your keywords everywhere credits, and only 750 credits or so will be used. So thanks for watching the video. You guys have a fantastic day.